My video tutorial is now dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam associated with the site Botscan.store. Botscan.store is a dangerous site indeed. Currently, it targets Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. Basically, it tries to make you really scared about the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Botscan.store, don't trust them and just leave this deceptive page. Also, to be convinced that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend you to investigate your system with Combo Cleaner. Where you can get it is on the site combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your computer with its help. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode. And only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.